This alert is brought to you by the request of the Wyoming government. As a series of wildfires is lit the dry grass around the city of Buffalo, WY, we suggest that you evacuate the city as the smoke if you breathe in can cause severe coughing and can cause you to go unconscious. Evacuate while you still can. This is not a test. Large amounts of smoke has officially spread across Rapid City. We advise that you stay in your home until further notice. This message has been requested by United States government. There are a total of wildfires in Wyoming, Utah, and South Dakota. If you are in any of these states, that means evacuate immediately as the extreme heat and toxic fumes can kill you. The following message will repeat.